And what is data type? Everybody know that the data type is the type of value that variable is stored. So we go to the documentation here, official documentation of Rust, and here you see that data type supported in Rust. So they are scalar. Scalar means the which stores single value, and compound data type means array and tuple like of variables. So we have here integer types of variable. Remember that we have 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit or architecture default arc. So how to declare? If there is a sign integer, sign means negative and positive both value you can store. Then we have i8, i16, i32, i64, i28 or isize. Isize is default as per your architecture. Similarly, if you are using a sign integer, means you don't want to store negative value, then we have a u8, u16, u32, u64, u128, usize. So this way you can declare integer variable. So we take example here. Remember, so I just came out from this, and once again I create a new package in cargo. I say cargo new, and I say class number 6, and I say data types. So we have this. I go inside this class 6 like this, and I close it, and I open the class number 6 file, this one, and here I define a variable. I say let num1 of, I say I 128-bit of variable, and I define this. I say this value. Remember this, and now I give here the value of num1 equal to, and we have this curly brackets, and inside this I put num1, and this I am specifying a data type here. If I say cargo run, and you will see the output, this is this. So by default, if I remove it, by default type is i32. Remember that. If I run it, no change in display, but the by default value is 32. How you can check it? 32 range. If I give a big value more than the size of a 32-bit, maybe it generate error. You see, we having error that this is out of the range of i32. Remember that, because by default size here is i32. But if I say i64, I specify here i64, putting a colon here. Now you see it is the size of this or not. You see it is also huge size, greater than i64 also. So here I say 128 of bit. Save this. Now try to compile it, and you see it's running now, because this